00000030 opening scene. Sunrise on coastal highway. In a world where precision meets artistry, a new era of automotive excellence rises. The 2026 Bentley, a vision of innovation, power, and elegance. As the first light of dawn kisses the horizon, the metallic body gleams, hinting at the masterpiece within. 00300130 exterior showcase, front and side views. Notice the sharp, aerodynamic lines sculpted for performance and beauty. Every curve, every contour, meticulously designed to balance elegance with aggression. The iconic Bentley grille stands boldly, framed by ultra-thin LED headlights that pierce through the morning mist. From front to side, the car exudes confidence, reflecting the road and sky in perfect harmony. 01300230 interior reveal. Step inside and enter a sanctuary of luxury. Premium leather seats, hand-stitched with precision. A holographic digital dashboard that brings technology to your fingertips. Ambient LED lighting that sets the mood for every journey. Every detail speaks of craftsmanship, the marriage of comfort, sophistication, and futuristic innovation. 02300330 motion and driving dynamics. Now feel the power. The 2026 Bentley glides along winding coastal roads, each curve an invitation to command the road. Motion blur emphasizes speed, yet every movement is controlled, precise. Wheels turn with effortless grace, responding to the driver's will. The engine hums a symphony of engineering mastery, power restrained yet undeniable. 03300430 close-ups and detailing. Look closer. Every detail is a testament to excellence: the sculpted grille, the polished emblem, the intricate alloy wheels. Metallic surfaces reflect sunlight and city lights alike. Tail lights, sharp and defined, cut through darkness with elegance. This is not merely a car, it is a work of art, crafted for those who demand perfection. 04300530 scenic driving, mountain and coastal roads. The road becomes a canvas and the Bentley a brush of precision. Along mountain passes and coastal cliffs, it moves effortlessly, each turn a ballet of power and grace. Shadows and reflections dance across the metallic body. The horizon expands, and the journey becomes a testament to freedom, luxury, and control. 05300630 night driving and futuristic city. As night falls, the Bentley transforms. Neon lights reflect across the glossy black finish, a futuristic silhouette against the cityscape. Headlights pierce the darkness, illuminating possibilities. Inside, ambient lighting guides the senses. Holographic displays provide clarity and command. This is innovation, where technology and luxury converge seamlessly. 06300700 closing, elegance and legacy. Every journey tells a story. Every drive becomes a statement. The 2026 Bentley, sharper, bolder, and more refined than ever before. A symbol of elegance, power, and futuristic design. This is not just a car, it is an experience, a legacy redefined for the roads of tomorrow.